people and build relationships. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my YouTube, and then smash the bell for me. Let's get started.
Welcome back, guys. Now actually we are here to talk about how I've got my first 1k followers. As you are here now, you two are here to get your first 1k followers. So now what we have to do is that firstly you have to go to TikTok. After going to TikTok, go to your home bar, just click on the search field and just type in junior.makosa. After typing in, clicking search. After searching,
Controlled his body with great will.
Go in. Before you will get the followers, you have to follow him. After following him, go to his followers. As you can see, his followers, there are only verified followers here. Follow them, follow, then come back, unfollow them all. We have to do this for about 5 times and see whether it's working. Follow again. Unfollow again. Two times, right? It is left with 3 times. Follow. Unfollow them again. Three times. Follow them again. Unfollow them again. Four times. Follow them again. It is left with only 1 time. Unfollow them again. Follow. Unfollow. And let's go back and check our followers.
Power.
Let's refresh. You see 4 as added. Now it depends of how you can do. You can do it so many times. As much as you want many followers, you can keep on doing it. Guys, click on the subscribe button, like it for me, comment your needs, and then share it for me.